On the other hand, this energy contraction is a cause of all the disease on an ongoing basis. Yeah. Whether it's familiar, whether it's old, whether it's new, whether it's diagnosed or not. So that's what we focus on, is the third level of healing, called the deeper cause of suffering. So in this case, yeah, deep is the cause of suffering is disconnection of own mind body. I think for this group, I don't need to explain more. Yes? If you're thinking just, stress is a cause of all disease, all suffering, which is true, but that's not the deepest cause. The deepest cause, the disconnection of own mind body. Yes, that's the benefit of easy the suffering. Yes? Is the benefit of change your lifestyle. The benefit of, be cautious of your food. But we here addressing deeper cause. For example, if your mind body is connected, deeply connected, as we're practicing how eating the food the way we're eating, you naturally know what is healthy food for you. When your mind body connected, you go to the grocery store, look at the food, just feel the energy of the food. The whole body knows, is this healthy food or not for this, whatever circumstances. If your body feels stressful response to that food, most likely it's not good for you. If the body feels happy, except chocolate, chocolate is good for you too, to a certain degree, until you overeat it. Even alcohol is good for you to a certain degree until you addict to it. When we don't know how to listen to the body, it's like you cannot really listen to the body when you disconnect it. We cannot know anything what is healthy for us.